Please remember to unplug the power and water inlet before replacing the filters. AW-1901 filters are easy to replace. Twist anti-clockwise and pull out old cartridge. Reset the system after replacing new filter. Firstly, reset the PPC filter. Long press reset button till RO light flash. Press select button switch to PPC filter. Long press the reset button to finish reset. PPC filter replacement done. Next, reset the RO membrane. Long press the reset button until the RO light flash. Long press the reset button to finish reset. RO membrane replacement done.